say.
Okay. Wakone bya sana ekera bono okuna kuligere boigo tokogenda because side bono ne roberete ya alternative government na sini ibune serikali ibune kona ko bakeko rosibwa nebintu binde kirugongera agekorolekana gikuru kubo deputy president tindara of course monte yugogani ko banamba ibere nonya namba ibere Tanzania na rutikiro goliti ko lya mushimi wa madha karwera na kanetenga onya tinkoewa I will support yo iru okoboko lakini tinkoba esekero kubo deputy president deputy president's office nkorolekana deputy for say alternative government.
You see the constitution that how beautiful and ugly no it must have an occupant. And it is that team that jails to make a nation necessarily nyeoja. So maybe needing a takeover. I can actually go out of a tavern and try a dig, which is a minimize the competition as a baby. So for her it's okay. We even had Justin to say it's not me, he was a bit more direct and agatwara kato na dukana safari madianga kamulu wana nana majugo sare manyali dukana take hara in negotiations akaro onye mokora mama ngana majadiliano to go tenere conclusion nga intebota kitega ningi wocha kore mesa ego wocha kore kone ndachare kone ria ndaje kone so kiro mutasuka akayijika ya tumana katikati akira batanga bono nje ndo katia na igwasko guru walenda akira sukonyo tubaye kumana katia so and of course basically at the video nere we say 1 and 2 kwete ugono eri bagari ate kugari aligi ya na 1 and 2 now let me say this to word choice but all of us to agree but na nne tujugo mnyoka kutambuka ko negotiate in negotiations akuna okay, they say in English nothing is negotiated until everything is negotiated. I mean if you have several agendas you can't say you have number 1 or done we have negotiated till every item on the table will get afikia tumeona kutongole consensus
kirege doke kwa nukere eka bano togende tegukwana nande bono lero nabatebe ingura guturuba ninde kurwa SSML
no you said me I'm an open book.
Okay,
what you see
is okay tomorrow and I like that your clarity in mind yoko iradelige davude kyo mushimiwa boni ise kwa ndese Facebook page ningaita no roso mtandai team yawe neroro ya communication igendete ko bage kuligeli I'm not going to your account intete kwa ndese account yo mushimiwa ko kwa Anthony Kebagende riwaswa gochaga igase studio mugusi egento tware ko batogo kwadira ngeli to kuligereri process nera mote very scientific abarayi aba democratic space liboli twari boliri nande sa chindegero rari boli nabo batabugule ignorant turara bintu bunabire siasa nibwatenkira moko yerona na maiso nasokia lakini tachete kwa credit e police tayarwete opinion polls yecho chikoro kinga mweshimi wedin sifuna nigaligoro muraibu enso bwatia Fred Matiangyo bwatia
come again I must confess I haven't seen it. Yesterday I had a very heavy family engagement and I've not been on social media.
Yes, I understand. Ga ligeteli tukuligoro chinsa 22 hours chetre bonigana baratu chetre chinsa 23 page post yagenda koleta liberera agateba taligetikende agateba Fred Edwin Sifuna 27%, Muraiwense 21%, Fred Matiang 17%, Kalonzo agacha matali akabeka I think 15-13 I'll verify. Agatimboka go chabanda akabeka others. Tachiti wa credit e police te yarwete the research findings munaboni gatoja twateba ene ya info track ene ya TV ene ya nyarebe. Egenteke kenda tekoleta jitas.
Ngari bagati kwandra gentekyo one thing rokimbanye tengeringa with statistics, yani among numbers, you can prove anything or prove nothing, depending on what you want to communicate. Sometimes these pollsters are paid. I don't know that it's good that you have not seen it, and I don't know whoever it is. Some of them, what you go by, used to test the waters, right? Abande but also your opinion and decided votes, for example, when you want to get there, again to get his way. So it depends on who pays the piper.